While it may seem like a mysterious or even threatening force, understanding how AI works reveals it to be a tool, albeit a sophisticated one, designed to complement human intelligence, not replace it. Let's explore the differences between human intelligence and AI, illustrating why AI poses no existential threat, but instead adds to the potential of humanity when used responsibly. AI, or large language models, like Chatgpt, function as sophisticated tools that predict text one token or word at a time. This process, while impressive in generating coherent and contextually appropriate responses, is rooted in pattern recognition rather than genuine understanding. The AI draws from vast amounts of pre-existing data, assembling phrases and sentences based on statistical likelihood rather than intent or creativity. Unlike adaptive intelligence, which evolves and learns through experience, AI remains a static, knowledge-based system. It cannot innovate or think autonomously. Its intelligence is limited to responding within predefined parameters within its dataset. When understood this way, AI poses no existential threat. It is a reflection of human ingenuity designed to assist rather than replace. This difference becomes clear when comparing AI-generated and human-generated creative writing. AI produces text with modular phrases, each capable of standing alone or being rearranged without significantly altering the meaning of any given paragraph. This reflects its token-by-token prediction process, which is driven by statistical probabilities rather than understanding. Human writing, by contrast, is deliberately constructed, with each sentence flowing from the last, building toward a specific purpose or emotional resonance. This intentionality, rooted in the human capacity for abstract thought and creativity, is what gives human-created text its depth and cohesion, qualities that are difficult for AI to replicate. To illustrate, consider the following passage written by Chatgpt when asked for a story. The forest was dark and silent, save for the occasional rustling of leaves in the wind. A sense of unease lingered in the air, heavy and thick. It felt as if the trees themselves were watching, their shadows stretching and bending in unnatural ways. The traveler pressed onward, uncertain of what lay ahead, but driven by a desire to escape the suffocating quiet. This passage, while coherent and atmospheric, is modular in nature. Each sentence stands alone, and their order could be rearranged without disrupting the overall meaning. AI's statistical problem-solving techniques are sophisticated enough to produce a story with a beginning, middle, and end, or ordered instructions for completing a task based on the information in its dataset. However, the seams start to show when analyzing paragraphs from AI creative writing attempts. The modularity of AI text is one of the techniques AI uses to fulfill requests with coherent answers without requiring any true cognition. Other tricks, like a randomization factor or a number used to weight the variances in response, also make the AI seem alive by allowing for different answers for the same inputs. In fact, many of these AIs, or large language models, have developer options to allow their operators to choose the variance level of a response. When set to none, this creates an AI that provides the same answer every time it's prompted with the same input. Perhaps you've also run into a case where you've told ChatGPT it provided the wrong answer only for it to agree with you while simultaneously providing you with the same answer. These kinds of errors demonstrate a lack of contextual awareness, and in turn, a lack of self-awareness. These limitations are not something that can be overcome with time. AI will require major technological leaps before we get Skynet and the Terminators. AI excels at producing modular, contextually appropriate text and instructions, but its output lacks the depth and intentionality that human creativity brings. Recognizing this limitation helps demystify AI, framing it not as a rival to human intelligence, but as a powerful tool to enhance productivity and creativity. By leveraging AI's strengths while valuing the unique qualities of human expression, society can harness the best of both worlds without fear or unnecessary resistance. Please like the video and subscribe. In return, we'll continue to create videos explaining the unexplained. Until next time, keep questioning, keep wondering, and keep exploring.